If you're a car enthusiast who loves gadgets that make your ride stand out, you need to check out these inventions that'll take your car to the next level. We start with these amazing wheel chocks known as Chock and Lock. They're simple, effective, and affordable. They provide stability for two-axle trailers and parking lots by preventing sudden movement and slippage. Each chock retails for $55. And if you love butterflies, you must see this incredible invention that not only looks cool, but will ensure you never lose your keys again. The owner of a Porsche 964 had the experience of losing the spare key to his magnificent car, which inspired him to combine the elegance and distinction of the German car with the unique key. Thus was born the butterfly car key, the fusion of a key and a butterfly knife. The innovator even launched the butterfly car key on Kickstarter and successfully reached a funding goal. Although the list of compatible vehicles is currently limited, the price tag is notable: $260 for a single key. Let's take a closer look at these Jeeps, which offer more than awnings and other enhancements. You'll also notice fuel canisters strategically placed next to the taillights. If you're someone who carries multiple devices in your vehicle, you'll appreciate this charging hub. It includes 55cm cables with micro USB, Type-C, and Lightning connectors that can charge a wide range of devices, from smartphones to gaming consoles. This station has built-in protections against overheating and current overload. You can get it for $28. But if you're looking for a unique design that makes a strong statement, check out the next invention we know you'll love. Some Jeep Wrangler owners want to give their vehicles a more imposing look. In this context, Fab 4's fender and flare kit, available for $830, becomes relevant. Moving away from design inventions, let's take a look at the next invention that'll help you get through dangerous situations unscathed. This set'll be useful for many drivers. It consists of 3 discs, each with 9 different flash modes. These discs can come in handy to warn other drivers in emergency situations, to illuminate your engine during repairs, or to mark a parking spot. Each disc has a 650 mAh battery, and the whole kit is on sale for $20. Amazing, right? But we know you want more, so this next invention will be perfect to make your car stand out. The team behind Halo wants to bring joy to Jeep Wrangler owners with their 7-inch headlights and RGB lighting, available for $190. These headlights sync to music and are Bluetooth controllable, so you can adjust them with your smartphone. They also provide reliable performance in foggy conditions and are designed to last at least 50,000 hours. What'll last more than 50,000 hours is the next incredible invention designed to defend your car. This door guard, though simple in design, proves highly effective in preventing scratches, dents, and other parking lot mishaps. Made of foam, it attaches to the vehicle with magnets. You can purchase a single 80 by 40 centimeter block for $20. Speaking of magnets, the next super invention won't need them, but it's sure to take your car to an unprecedented level. Let's take a look at a smartphone holder that can hold up to 5 kilograms without relying on magnets or glue. With a length of 40 centimeters, it facilitates quick placement and removal of your phone. The hinge gives you the flexibility to adjust the orientation of your device, and it has a Type-C port that turns it into a wireless charger. This versatile mount is available for $29. If you like this invention as much as we do, don't miss the next invention that will protect your car from the harshest weather conditions. This canvas cover is an innovative addition for truck owners. According to its designers, it's electrically operated, easily raised and lowered with a simple button. It also provides reliable protection for cargo against adverse weather conditions and potential theft attempts. Now let's explore the world's most compact car cup warmer, designed specifically for paper coffee cups. It works with buttons, screens, switches, or extra features. Simply place your cup in the warmer, and it'll keep your beverage at a temperature of 57 degrees Celsius. If you forget, it automatically shuts off after 1 hour. This ingenious accessory retails for $35. Bullock is one of Europe's leading brands of mechanical anti-theft devices. The newly patented Bullock Defender Pro fits any vehicle thanks to its adjustable length and height locking lever. In addition to being compact and lightweight, it's easy for anyone to use. This device is available for purchase for $94. If you're looking for something more affordable for your car, but just as functional, the next invention is the perfect kit for your car. The Basius team presents an emergency tool that, despite its simplicity, is extremely useful. It combines a glass breaker, a cutter, and a flashlight in a single device. Weighing only 180 grams with a 650 mAh battery, this versatile tool is available for $19. And when it comes to functionality, the next invention will be your savior. Front and rear view cameras on vehicles often get dirty, making cleaning them on the road a challenge. That's why Keep Cool cameras offer a clever solution. They stay hidden in protective housings and only come out when needed, so they can stay clean while you drive. A single Keep Cool camera with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels is available for $279. If you've enjoyed these car inventions, stay tuned for more. The armrest table didn't generate much interest among Kickstarter backers. The campaign only reached about half its goal, which is unfortunate considering the table's outstanding features. It's easy to unfold, holds 2 drinks, offers rotation, and is height adjustable. When unfolded, the table spans 30.7 by 21 centimeters, providing convenient work surface when needed. The table retails for $112. Thought we'd leave pets out of this video? The next amazing invention will keep your pet from getting hurt while you drive. You've probably seen those adorable videos of curious dogs peeking out car windows, but the practice isn't safe, even at low speeds. Pup Peeker offers a solution. This innovative option allows your dog to enjoy the view without the risk of falling or jumping, and without obstructing your windows. A single curtain is available for $29. The innovators behind Solar Shade Duo have made waves in the automotive technology scene with a unique blend of sun visor and protective film. This Solar Shade Duo film provides multiple levels of sun protection by increasing visibility and blocking ultraviolet rays. As expected, this ingenious invention was immediately patented and is available for $27 each. We all know about the Ninja Turtles, but have you ever heard of the Magic Turtle? This cleverly named device is designed to make it easier to clean windshields in cars, trucks, boats, and even airplanes. Its 4 flexible legs effortlessly conform to the shape of the glass, ensuring a pristine result both inside and out. You can purchase an armrest table for $49. In response to the growing reliance on multiple distracting devices for drivers, the creators of Exploride have come up with a solution for safer and more comfortable driving. They've created a 6-inch front-facing display device that integrates a camera, GPS navigation, and internet access. This device can replace your smartphone, dashboard camera, and other devices without taking your attention off the road. It also supports voice control and retails for about $300. The famous tree-shaped air freshener Little Tree now has a solid competitor in the form of the Micro 3. This ozone generator not only masks bad odors, but also eliminates viruses and bacteria. The recommendation is to use the Micro 3 for about 20 minutes, and then air out the cabin for about 10 minutes. You can purchase this device for $40. On numerous road trips, passengers often find themselves nodding off, rocking their heads back and forth and sometimes uncomfortably bumping into the window. This product not only prevents these moments, but also ensures a more comfortable sleep. The advantage is that it can be installed without removing the headset and is compatible with most seats. Its breathable material and use of memory foam make it very comfortable. This upgrade is available for $31. This carrier can raise and lower loads in as little as 20 seconds. After loading, it folds neatly away in just 6 seconds. It also has a load capacity of up to 159 kilograms and simple one-button operation. Do you think all these features justify the $500 price tag? What's definitely worth the price is the following invention that'll take your car to the next level. Despite the advancing technology found in many modern cars, transporting bikes in them can be a challenge. Fortunately, the Piston Pro X system is here to solve this problem. Depending on the model, it can carry up to 4 bikes without disassembling them. This system includes lights and is 99% metal. You can get the basic version of the Piston Pro X for $1,390. And now get ready, because you're about to see the best invention for your car in this video. Pet Feeder is designed for those who frequently travel with their pets in the car. With a capacity of 3 liters of water and approximately 1 liter of food, its simple and reliable mounting system eliminates the worry of spills in the vehicle. The Travelmate retails for $150.